Take a look. We've put this color-coded map into motion for you, showing the worsening COVID situation in Kentucky over the past 2 weeks. It'll change here right on your screen from the end of July to August 9th, just to yesterday. Mostly red. Both Governor Beshear and Louisville Mayor Greg Fisher holding news updates today about COVID. As Elle Smith tells us, both leaders stressing the increasing strain on our hospitals.
As of today, no Louisville hospital has had to turn patients away or stop elective procedures. But doctors today said those steps will be necessary if cases do not decline in the coming weeks.
If you are unvaccinated right now, you are at the greatest risk that you have ever been in the course of this pandemic.
A stark warning from Governor Andy Beshear as state data indicates COVID-19 related hospitalizations are increasing across the state. Roughly 80% of those cases are among unvaccinated Kentuckians.
The healthcare capacity is going to get really difficult here in the weeks ahead.
Right now, there are three things impacting hospitals: an increase in COVID cases, a lack of staffing, and outside states whose hospitals are at capacity asking to use our hospitals.
Where we're now having the beginnings of critical access hospitals in your smaller rural communities and instances having to call numerous hospitals, bigger places in Kentucky, to try to find a staffed bed to send a patient to.
The number of Kentuckians who are in ICU beds is continuously climbing.
We are already just shy of our all-time record. Another day or two, we'll be past that record for ICUs.
In Jefferson County, there were 2,226 new cases last week and 12 new deaths. Dr. Sarah Beth Hartledge, the Associate Medical Director at the Louisville Metro Department of Public Health and Wellness, said right now, no Louisville hospital is at capacity, but they are close.
Our hospitals are fuller than usual and are quite close to needing to take those steps.
In Jefferson County, nearly 900,000 vaccine doses have been administered, and 59% of the population has received the first dose of the vaccine. And now those with compromised immune systems are eligible for a third shot.
The ones whose immune systems may never have responded adequately to the initial doses.